How to look like Havana Brown. Havana Brown is a beautiful Australian singer. She has a wonderful style, which this article will give you steps on how to attempt to copy her. Steps. 1. Havana loves her makeup. To copy her, wear medium brown colored makeups. Make sure that it's spread very smoothly. Cover up any blemishes. 2. Wear peachy or pink lipstick spread thinly. 3. Trim your eyebrows until they are quite thin. Dye them black or dark brown. 4. Wear dark eyeshadow. 5. Havana has beautiful blonde hair with dark streaks. Straighten your hair a little bit, but keep it nice and thick with a slight curly edge. 6. When she is singing, Havana has a very hard edge style. Wear tight dark pants with a dark singlet or shirt. 7. When she is in formal, Havana dresses in a very modern way. Wear frayed jeans with pretty shirt or sweaters. 8. When dressing formally, wear bright dresses with the occasion bold short sleeve or cut-off leg. 9. Wear out their heels in bold colors. 10. Havana has a very cheeky style. She conveys that all the time. Have a good sense of humor and be ready to have a laugh. 11. Wear large jewelry to make a statement.